Hello, this is just going to be a quick video to kind of round out the series almost that I've been doing on area between two z-scores. So far we have talked about area between a positive and a negative z-score and area between two positive z-scores. So in this video, I'm going to talk about finding the area between two negative z-scores. So for this example, I've picked a z of negative 0.36 and a z of negative 1.25. So as I always say, probably not going to be drawn to scale, but we're just going to go ahead and mark it off here as if it is. Just bear with me, pretend here. So here we're going to say this in green is negative 0.36, and that this in orange is the negative 1.25. Now erase this real quick and rewrite it just so we can make sure that we can really read it. Okay, so for this problem, we're trying to find the area between these 2 points. Oops, that didn't go so well. Close enough. And I am going to go ahead and mark this area off in white. So keep in mind that that's what we are trying to find the area of. So the first thing we're going to do is find the area of this green area. This whole entire green area here. The way we're going to do that is we're going to find the area in the tail where z equals negative 0.36. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that it's going to be the same whether it's positive or negative, so we can just look in 3.6. We don't need to find negative 0.36 on a formula sheet. We're just going to look what the area is in the tail of 0.36. So, go over here and find 0.36 on my z-table. Okay, here it is. Remember, I said we're looking in the tail because it's the smaller portion of this graph as a whole. So we're searching in the tail. Oops, I accidentally erased all that. There we go. So the tail is the smaller portion. So the area in that, it looks like, is going to be 0.3594. So I'm going to go ahead and write that over here in green. I'm a very visual person, so I like to use the different colors to remind me what I'm doing. Okay, so next, I'm going to find this portion. Because, as you can tell, this small white portion here, I guess I should redo that. This small white portion here is just the green portion minus the red portion. So I'm going to find the tail of negative 1.25, same thing as with the 0.36. It doesn't have to actually be negative because it is symmetrical, so it's going to be the same on either side. Here we've got 1.25. We're looking in the smaller portion, the tail. So 0.1056. Double check that real quick. 1056. Okay. So in order to find this white area, we are subtracting the red from the green. So we're going to be doing 0.3594 minus 0.1056. I'm going to plug that into my calculator real quick. 0.3594 minus 0.1056. So I got 0.2538, and that's the area for this white section here. Now, you might be asked sometimes for the percentage of area in between two z-scores. And remember that area equals percentage. So all we're going to do is convert this into a percent instead of a decimal. We're just going to move the decimal place over 2 spots, 25.38%. So 25.38% of the area of this distribution is between z equals -3.6 and z equals -1.25. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.